So we're again with you and welcome to the Boat Show 2015 in Fort Lauderdale. And this is, as always, Fleur Flower Boutique with our beautiful flowers on this wonderful yacht. Bienvenue mes amis, et je vous présente le Boat Show de 2015 à Fort Lauderdale. Et nous sommes en Floride, c'est une magnifique journée et nous sommes en hiver, on va dire, et c'est magnifique, plein de soleil. Donc je vous présente, mes amis, notre capitaine de ce boat magnifique, c'est très joli design, c'est très joli boat. Et c'est le capitaine Bernard Frederick. Donc je vous présente et follow us. So I come back to English because we're in the United States, guys. So this is our captain on this wonderful boat, Mr. Bernard Frederick. He's been here for many years, so let's just meet him. Mr. Bernard Frederick, how are you doing today with this wonderful weather?
I'm wonderful. It's hot but beautiful. For a lot of the boat show, it's always special every year.
Wonderful. We're really happy to be on your boat. Thank you so much. And we were really enjoying to decorate your boat with our beautiful orchids, our nice custom-made design pieces. Benvenuti miei amici italiani. Lo so che sono tanti yacht che sono fatti in Italia con un bel design. Benvenuti ancora e welcome to everybody to the yacht and to boat show, and follow us please. Every day you will see news more and more from Fleur Flower Boutique. Thank you.